All right, we know summer is not too far around the corner here. How about a little Jeep for some summertime fun? Take the top off, enjoy the sun. 1979 Jeep CJ7, powered by a 360 V8 underneath the hood, and that's paired with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. As you can see, suspension lift on this one, sitting up in the air. Custom paint. Might say this Jeep's out of this world. Now it is a glass body. Chrome bright work, looks good on the front of it. There's some surface scratches, a little bit in that chrome, but shows nice. It's riding on MT polished aluminum wheels. Discover STT Cooper radials. You can see the rubber. A lot of miles left on that. Bimini top. Obviously that is removable. I wanted to leave it on for the video here. A little protective cover also for the back. I would call it a vinyl or canvas material. And I want to flip over here a second. There are also doors that go with it. But the one thing I did notice, you'd have to install the latches that would go right here. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can get a good close look up at the paint, the underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to get you right to our website where you'll be able to check out the pictures. Gauge cluster. Now, this does have a reverse valve body. Where's the transmission? Seat belts in there that you see. Nerf bars. Looking good. Now, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can assist with the transportation. Come around to the back, the matching bumper in the rear, dual exhaust. Again, you can kind of check out that custom paint. There is a second row seat in this. There is a bench seat. There's also a stereo. Look like a CD changer on the passenger side, an amp on the driver's side. You'll be able to see that in the pictures. We're going to fire this up too so you can hear it run here in a second. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can go to see the pics on our website. All right, let me get in this and fire this up a second. See, it starts easily. That 360 is going to have a little bit of a rumble. Tack works. Got a back gauge, oil pressure, water temp, come up under pressure, trans temp, oil temp, volts. There's a gauge made for it. It appears this one has it. Odometer down here. Your stereo system. And like I said, I haven't really played around with that. Okay, it does power up, and there are speakers in the rear. Turn it up to a station here. I'll let you know if it works. Yep. All right. Get a good look at the dash. Wait. Let's check the wipers while we're in here, I guess, while it's warming up a little bit. Wipers do work. Turn them off when they get all the way down. There we go. Whoops, clicked the blinker on there a second when I was getting in and out. Click that back off. Alright. Flip around to the back, you got a 360. A little rumble coming out of it. Sounds like it's got a slight cam to it. Alright, I'm going to go up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take a couple hands to get this hood up, and we'll check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, aluminum radiator. Got some chrome dress up here. Valve covers, booster, air cleaner cover. And again, power steering, power brakes, MSD ignition. Nice smooth run at 360. Give you an idea how it runs. Alright, I'm going to flip that hood down a second again. So there you go, 1979 Jeep CJ7 glass body, 360 under the hood. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.